Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how you import sound effects into GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can play, you have your audio recorder right here, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can get started with importing sound effects into our music. The first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and open up any of the instruments you have right here. It doesn't matter. I'm just going to open up the audio recorder, and after opening it up, now it's going to look like this. This is the recording menu, where at the top of the screen we have the big red circle that's going to enable us to start recording and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to import sound effects. Basically guys, what we want to do to be able to add any sound effect into GarageBand is go right here into the upper left corner and click on the mixing mode. This is going to open up this edit mode where you can find all the instruments we have played in our tracks. As you can see, I have my audio recorder, I have my grand piano, drums, and so on that I have played, and now I can get started adding the effects. Basically, right here in the upper right corner is going to be this button that's going to enable us to add files. So as you can see, by clicking the button, it's going to enable us to browse items from the Files app. So what you want to do is to have your sound effects in your Files app or on iCloud, and you can get started browsing it from right here. So go ahead and find your effects and tap on them, and it's going to add them right here into the menu. And what you can do is drag them and drop them into your tracks right here, the sound effects, and after using those sound effects, you can add them and place them wherever you want to become a part of your song. But yeah guys, basically it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.